you unlock the Infinity?
Why don't you? I'll grant you a virtual key. All I need to do is go to the Infiniti app, tap Add Users, and add a driver. Now you can open the doors or even the lift gate.
But what if I don't have my phone?
It's compatible with Apple Watch 2.
Nice.
I can grant a virtual key for up to 7 users and give each a different level of access. I can even monitor the usage history for everyone I've granted access to.
So there's no surprises when you're not there.
And with a Drive Recorder and Drive Recorder app, I can view what's happening inside and outside the vehicle.
So you can always keep an eye on things remotely.
Exactly. Drive Recorder even starts recording if the vehicle's jostled.
So if your Infinity gets bumped, the Drive Recorder captures the event?
It does. And reviewing the footage is as easy as transferring it from the SD card to your computer or simply download it from the cloud using the Drive Recorder app. Drive Recorder gives you a second set of eyes anywhere your Infinity goes.
And virtual key means you won't have to worry about sharing a physical key again.
Or losing one.